Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
You have a lot of possessions?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life. This is it. Like, I don't know what to tell you.